Hello, this is Renee with 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 8. And today I'm going to give you an idea of how to, another way to organize group content. And that way is by creating a welcome guide doc. So I talked in previous links about other ways of using docs and other ways to organize content. So a doc, I'm actually really a fan of docs. If you've ever used a note on your business page or your public page, it's very similar. So they call them, I don't know why they call them docs inside groups and they call them notes for a page, but they're called docs. And you can create docs just like you would create any other post. And under the more section where you pick if it's a photo or video, you can actually select doc. And it lets you add a cover image, it lets you add a title, and then a bunch of text, embedded videos and links below as well. So it's very flexible. So sometimes when somebody joins a group, I mean, obviously Facebook throws them into the discussion section, and yeah, you could put a welcome post there, but a lot of the times a welcome post doesn't really give you enough flexibility to really describe what you want people to do at the beginning, how to have them have a good, great experience. So having a welcome guide can be the answer that you're looking for to really describe what you want them to do first. Perhaps you have some social learning units that you want them to consume first. Perhaps you want them to sign up or complete a form somewhere or consume certain type of videos or be reminded of what's happening every week or maybe different challenges that you're running. So this would be a good place to kind of get them all familiar with everything that's happening. You could always point and link to different other documents, maybe to, like I said, to units or different places or what you want them to do first. The whole goal of this is for them to not to be lost. Day one, they just signed up, and that's the scenario you want to avoid, because if they're lost, they're not going to consume, they're not going to learn from you, and they're not going to stick around. So a welcome guide is an excellent way to do that. So again, another flexible thing you can do with docs, and so I think we covered 2 ways of using them so far. So hopefully you find this helpful. If not, there's other tips that may be of help to you. With that, good luck with everything, and I'll see you on the next tip. Thank you.